In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Xbox controller on PlayStation 4 Remote Play. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Remote Play is primarily designed to be used alongside a PlayStation controller, so a DualShock or a DualSense. And if you want to use an Xbox controller, then you will have to use a certain workaround. For this video, I chose what I believe is the best workaround. Keep in mind that there are multiple different options and tools that you can use to get this to work, but the one that I want to recommend is available at ReWASD. So this is going to be a tool that allows you to set up any controller with any game. You will be able to manually and individually change every single button and action available on your controller, and it is going to work for older Xbox controllers or newer ones. You will be able to connect it to your PC through a cable or wirelessly, set up every single button, but usually there will be an automatic profile that does it for you, and consequently use it on Remote Play for your PlayStation console. And as you can see, they even have a page dedicated to this. All that you have to do is download the latest version of it. As you can see, to use the Xbox controller, you need a basic license only. So choose the option to try for free, sign up here, and you will be able to get a trial. Keep in mind that you will have to pay later on. However, you will be able to see if it works, and if it does, this is going to be a very convenient tool to use because, like I said, they will have automatic profiles ready to be used. And it is a community-made program, so you will be able to browse through various other templates and configs made by other players. So all that you have to do is let this tool run in the background while you have Remote Play active, and you will be able to set up and use any Xbox controller that you have connected to your PC while you play your PlayStation games. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Xbox controller on PlayStation 4 Remote Play. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.